What's good, peeps? Ralph Anthony here. I'm in Budapest, Hungary in the gym, and I'm gonna show you the best quick chest workout. Most people come in the gym and they're in here for like 2 hours. I'm like, bro, what are you doing in the gym for 2 hours? I'm here for 30 minutes pumping my chest. You're gonna see how my chest looks now and how my chest looks at the end of the workout. The pump is gonna be absolutely insane. The first exercise I wanna show you is the most basic exercise. For a reason as well. Flat bench is where you start. Don't come in the gym and start warming up on some light weights. Don't come in the gym and start doing press-ups. Stop wasting my time. Stop wasting your time. The first thing you do is you step into the gym on the flat bench and you put about 80 to 90% of what you can lift onto the bench, okay? No warm-up necessary. This is a quick workout to pump the hell out of your chest. So you come in, you put about 80% of what you can lift. I usually lift about 130 to 140 kilos. I'm gonna start with 100 and see how this goes. The rep range you should aim for is about 6 to 8 reps. Stop doing 15, 16 reps. You don't need to do that, that's to tone up. If you want a big ass chest and you wanna look like a monster, you need to do about 6 to 8 reps. Make sure your hands are just outside of your shoulder length. So don't bring them too, if you're bringing them too close, you're doing your triceps, okay? This is a tricep exercise. This is too wide, and that's for veteran chest builders, okay? If you're beginner or intermediate, it has the lines for you. So your outer tip of your finger should be where the line shows you. Every single bar in the gym will have an inside line, okay? So you look here, and then you look at the next section, just outside of your shoulders, you'll see a line. Put your little finger on the edge, and off you go. I'm gonna do about 6 reps here. So we lift up, nice and easy. You wanna make sure that the bar is hitting the middle of your chest, because I'm training the middle of my chest right now, okay? So it comes down, and it goes up. So here we go. That's 2, 3, 4, 5. That's my first set. Actually, I found that a bit more difficult than usual, but that's what it's supposed to be. You're supposed to struggle through your first set. It's not supposed to be easy. It's not supposed to be a warm-up. It's supposed to be challenging and very hard, put straight away. So I actually struggled with my last 2 reps there. In terms of the break you take in between sets, this chest workout is gonna be 30 to 40 minutes, no longer than that. I'm not in here for an hour. I'm not in here for an hour and a half. I'm not in here for 2. I've got work to do. I've got a business to run. I've got millions of dollars to make. So I can't sit in the gym for 3, 4 hours a day. So you wanna take about a 30-second to a 1-minute break in between your sets. Ideally 30 seconds when you become a veteran, 1 minute if you're a beginner. So I'm about 20 seconds now. In 10 more seconds, I'm back down. Up. Make sure it's hitting the middle of your chest. You see, it's a struggle already. 1 more, baby, come on. I'm gonna take a 45-second to a 1-minute break. Then I'm straight back on for my final set of flat bench. We're doing 5 different exercises today. We're gonna do flat bench. We're gonna do incline bench for the top of your chest. Then I'm gonna do machine flies, okay? There'll be 3 different adaptations of machine flies. The first one is where I'm grabbing it from the top, like so. The second is where I'm grabbing it from the middle, and the third is where I'm picking it up from the top. What that does is it does all the different parts of your chest, okay? So I wanna do the top, the middle, and the bottom. That's what builds a monster chest. One more, come on. I had 1 more rep left. And if you don't finish the rep, you take a break, you get back down and you finish that rep. That took no more than 5 minutes. I see people on the incline, I see people on the flat bench for like 30 minutes. I'm like, dude, hurry up. It's my turn on the bench, bro. Right, we're done here. I'm gonna strip the weights off because I'm not that guy who leaves all the weights on the bar in the gym. I hate that guy. Don't be that guy. All right, peeps. Exercise number 2 is incline bench press. I love this one. This is what does the top of your chest. Now, as you can already see my chest is already pumped. My chest is already pumped as I've walked into the gym. You're gonna walk in, your chest is gonna be a bit flat. You know, even if you're a big dude with a big chest, after this kind of chest workout, you'll see the size of this thing. This is gonna grow like a monster. The first exercise we did on the flat bench was for the middle, okay? Now I'm doing it for the top. If you can see that, that's what this does, okay? It does the top of my chest. You can see my muscles here, right? I call this the V-neck rip, okay? So when you're wearing a V-neck or you're wearing a shirt, people can see that you work out the top of your chest. So you get those muscles just up here, and that's what this trains. So what you ultimately need to do on the incline bench press is lower the weight slightly, because you're not going to be able to lift as much on incline. So if I rack on 100 kilograms here, I'm not gonna be able to do the 6 reps. So lower the weight just slightly. I've done 100 kilograms on flat. Now I'm doing 80 kilograms on incline. I'm gonna stick to the 6 reps. No more, no less. Let's get down to it. The key thing you need to remember when you're doing an incline is the bar needs to finish at the top of your chest. So as it comes down, make sure it's hitting the top, not the bottom, not the middle. So I'll show you. It's gonna look something like this. As it comes up, look where the bar ends. Here, look at that. That's the top of my chest right there. That's not the middle, that's not the bottom. Up we go. 5 more, come on, let's go. All the way down. Come all the way down. 3, 4, 5, 6. Did you notice with every single rep, where did the bar finish? It finished. I brought it all the way down to my chest. I don't want to see it coming halfway. This is an incorrect rep. Right, like this. Don't do that. Do this. All the way down. And then up. We're going to do 3 sets of every single exercise. Flat bench, 3 sets. Incline bench, 3 sets. Flies, 3 sets each. Top, middle, bottom. Come on. 2, 3, 4. Yes, that was damn challenging. Second set complete. 1 more set of this. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 1 more. Come on. That is hard shit. You're supposed to struggle. It's supposed to hurt. It's supposed to be painful. It's supposed to be hard. You're supposed to push through those final sets, those final reps. Just get someone behind you to make sure you can do those last couple of reps. I don't want that bar falling on your neck and then you suing me. On to the next exercise. I've been in the gym about 15, 20 minutes. Final 10 minutes. You only need this machine. You're gonna do 3 different parts of your chest. As I lift it from the bottom, right, just forget the weight for a second. Just go like that with your arm and feel your chest. Tense it, lift it up, and you can feel. Look at that. I can literally feel my pumped up chest just from doing that. So we're gonna do from the bottom up, we're gonna do center, and then we're gonna go from the top all the way down. I'm gonna show you how to do this one here. We come up. What I would recommend is you put one foot in front of the other, okay? Get your left foot in front of the right foot, whatever makes you feel more comfortable. This is for stability. Okay? I want you to be stable when you're doing this exercise. I don't want you rocking around. I don't want you falling over. I don't want you looking like a fool in the gym. So here we go. We're gonna come up, hands together, and then back down. We're gonna go again. Up, hold, and then back down again. It needs to be tough. Up, 3, 4, beautiful. That feels absolutely beautiful. When you lift it from the bottom and you're coming up, it's training the top of your chest. So I'll just show you what my chest is doing as I lift it up. As I go, the top of my chest is super tensed, okay? So as I go like that, you should be able to see the top of my chest tense up. One arm, up. Look at that. There it is, just up there. You're meant to sweat. You're meant to struggle. You're meant to be in pain. You're not meant to spit like I just did there though. Right, let's go again. I want to see 2 sets of each one of these. 2 sets of that, 2 sets of that, 2 sets of that, and the workout's over. That's 30 minutes, and your chest is going to be massive, bruv. Here we go. 1, come on. 2, 3, 4, 5. See the pain I'm going through for this shit? Let's go, next exercise. Bring it up to the middle. Okay. My heart is beating like crazy. My heart is pumping up. My endorphins are flying. If you're not enjoying the workout, you're not going to sustain it. You're not going to turn up. If this is a chore every time you come to the gym, if you're like, yo, this is annoying, this is boring, this sucks, you don't enjoy it, you're not going to get ripped and muscly. Right, so here we go. Now this one's going to come to the center of my chest. So again, use your feet to stabilize. You see my left foot is here. Use it to stabilize the rest of your chest. If you stand straight like this, you can do, but this helps me stabilize more. So we're off. Here we go. To the middle. You've got to struggle. One more. And then, if you're a veteran, hold it and come back slowly. If you're a veteran, slowly, 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 slowly. Just like that, baby. God damn. I'm that annoying guy in the gym. That's right. That's right. There's that annoying prick filming videos in the gym. For a greater cause. So you get a bigger chest. I've already got a big chest. It's your turn. Second set, let's go. No break here. Let's go. We've got to push off strong. Let's go. Final exercise. Let's go. You're gonna lift this to the top, all the way. Okay, guys. Final one. I've got 3 minutes, 4 minutes left of my workout. I've been in the gym for 30 minutes. That's it. That's it. That's all you need. Now this is doing the bottom of my chest. Look at that. Nice. I can feel the bottom of my chest exploding. 6 reps is all you need. 3, I'm going to show you on the last set what it looks like with my shirt off to show you the pump of my chest. Boom. Workout complete. We're done. That's 30 minutes. My chest is pumped like crazy. My brothers, here's a couple of bits of information that are super important for you. Now, when I first started in the gym, I was the smallest guy. I was the smallest guy in the gym. I was looking around like, oh shit, man, everyone's so big. Oh God. I was like all shy and stuff. I was like, oh no, I'm shy. It doesn't really matter where you're starting. Okay, like do not compare yourself. As soon as you start comparing yourself is the moment you start losing. Now, I'm in great shape. I'm in top, probably, I wouldn't even say top 1% shape. So I'm in top 0.1% shape of men globally. But when I look at certain people and I see how they look and I see their chest and I look at The Rock, I'm like, damn. Yo, my body's not all that. So who you compare yourself to is a massive danger. When you come into the gym, don't worry about what other people look like, okay? The only comparison is you against yourself. You against how you looked yesterday, not you against some other dude, okay? I mean, yes, it's a competition, but if you view it that way, you're never gonna get in this gym. And I know some of the smallest guys, they don't wanna come in here because they're shy, they're embarrassed. And that breaks my heart, right? I'm rooting for the underdog. I wanna see that guy that has a tiny chest watching my video thinking, you know what? I'm gonna get in there. I don't care. I don't care about what else is going on in the gym. I don't care about how I look. I don't care about these other people. Let me get in there. Let me do my own chest workout. Compare yourself to how you looked the day before. And once you get over that barrier, because trust me, we all suffer from this. All of us suffer from imposter syndrome, even me. Of course I suffer from imposter syndrome. I'm now competing at a much higher level. I'm now competing against people who got 100 mil. Competing with people who've got 5-6% body fat. So it never stops, okay? The competition is literally consistent. The levels are never ending. And so the key is to start. Get your ass in the gym and get pumping on your chest and follow my workout. And just don't worry about everyone else, man. You think I care? I'm here with my top off in this gym. I'm saying it how it is because I don't care what people think. I literally do not care. People stand there and be like, who's this weirdo doing video content? Who's this guy thinking he's the shit? Yeah, I am the shit. But you know what? If you care what people think, you're never going to start. So make it rain. Make it happen. Start. Let's go. As you can see, you should be able to see my chest is looking very different to when I first walked in the gym. When I first walked in, I looked much smaller than this. Now you can see, look at the pump there of the top, bottom of the chest. Absolutely pumped. As I actually give it a nice hit, I can feel the muscles have been worked out. If it's not feeling hard, you haven't worked out. So there you go. That's my quick, best chest workout to create a monster chest in the gym. 30 minutes. That's all you need. I'm out. I love you all. I'll see you in the next video.